Hey everybody, this is Christina at Scrap Craft and Stitchery. I've been making these cute cat pockets, and you can glue them into your journals and use them as a pocket, but they're origami cats. And I made a whole bunch of these one night while I was on live with the ginger cat lady, and so this is a tutorial from that live on how to make them, and I'll show you how to fold them without the front pocket, and then how to turn this front part into cute little hands so your cats can hold their, fish and their books. So I'll show you how I fold these. Okay, you need a square of paper, whatever size you want. And this one's already folded into a triangle with a long bottom, right? Yes. So now you're going to fold the corners over to about the middle. And the way that I've been doing it is you want them to be the same. It's probably easiest to just fold them over both at the same time so they kind of go into the middle. Like that. Okay. So now you've got that from your triangle. And this is like the same way you make an origami cup. Fold that over. And then the way she does it in her video is she does it like this. So if you've ever made like the origami cup, that's it. You open that up and you've got but is what I have discovered. So you can just take this and fold it like to there and then fold that up, which is the way she was doing it in her video. But what I've been doing is folding this the other way, and you can tuck it inside, and then you don't have to fold it.
Or you stick both of the flaps inside or just one flap?
So I'm sticking that one just like right inside the cup. And then this one I'm folding into the top pocket, the top flap.
Oh, okay.
So that'll hold your pocket shut, because is what you're going to get is, so now that's your pocket on the back, and this is the front of your cat. So then is what you have to do is you flip it over where this crosses, and you cut that to make the ear part. And then you can just kind of do a little, cut it like about two-thirds of the way down. And then you cut a kind of curve over to the other part where it crosses down, and cut the other ear. And that makes your cat. And then you can sew, I guess you could sew that. There you go. And then you draw a little face on it. But like this one, the flap, I didn't tuck. I kept it flapped up and I cut it into little paws. So So you've got this flap, right, that you folded and I think, oh, there you go. So you've got this flap on the front and I've folded it here and folded it there. Sorry, this is the mini class. Okay. And so I just drew some paws, or actually I just cut this with the scissors and that's why they're kind of lumpy. And my pen won't work. So it's really hard. So just, draw some bumps there and make some little, hands. And I'm just starting at this corner here and basically drawing some like little edges, and then I cut that part out. And then I just glued like a little bit on the edge, not all of it. So like glued to there. And this one, I mean, this cat is made out of like, this is cardstock. This is just notebook paper. So if you're going to do it, maybe make it out of something a little sturdier.